Here's a 2015 Lexus ES350. This ES350 is state-of-the-art in the art of the arrival. The crafted elegance and athletic performance give you a luxury sedan others won't soon forget. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual-zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, leather steering wheel, front-wheel drive, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and V6 engine. The Car Connection reports, thanks to a quicker steering ratio and retuned suspension, the ES models feel slightly sportier from behind the wheel without sacrificing passenger comfort. It's still just as plush and quiet as ever. Lexus, performance in every detail. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.